Leetcode 941 valid mountain. So this problem basically is a list of given number. We're trying to detect if it's a mountain or not, right? And if we have multiple mountains, then it's not a mountain. Okay. So how are we going to approach this problem? We're going to basically trying to detect the increase of number and decrease of the number. So we have a Python code that we have here, and we're going to basically return a Boolean value, and also we're going to receive array, and it will be a list of integer. So that will be our functions, and inside these functions we will have index starting from 1, and we will try to detect the increase of a number. Okay, so we will have while, and then as long as the index is less than length of array, and the right side of the array, which uh, is greater than the left side of the array, which is index -1. So the right side of the index is current index, so equal 1. So basically the increase, we will try to increment the index plus equal to 1, increment by 1, and we will basically increment all the way to here. And if that's the case, we have an increased number, right? So this only right here. So right here we will try to detect if index is equal to 1, or so what that means is basically we have only one number in a list. We don't have a mountain. So in that case we will return false. Or we have the length of array is equal to index. So we have a flat number. So it went all the way through. We don't have the number that uh, increase and stop there, right? So stop counting there. So we have a flat line. In that case, we will have to return false. So we will have to solve for also the decrease of number. So what that means is we will have to change this like that. Okay. So the decrease of number, by that time the index will count all the way right here. So what that means is basically the length of array must be equal to the index. So it went all the way through, right? But if they are not, right, if the number doesn't decrease, and that means it won't count the end of until the end of the list. So that means we will have to return false. So this will be the time complexity of big O of 2n, but it should be big O of n. Because we ignore the constant, big O of n, it make more sense, right? It make significant difference. Okay, let's try and test this out, and it return true. So that's our problem. Solutions for this problem number 941.